Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about applications of C programming language. Applications means the main uses of C programming language. Now we will see some of them. Designing the system software. C programming language can be used to design the system software like operating systems. Already we know that operating system acts as an interface between the user and the system. We have discussed about this operating system in our previous videos very clearly. I will provide the link in description box. If you are interested, you may go through that. For desktops and laptops, the operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And for mobile devices, the operating systems are Android and iOS. These operating systems are designed by using the C programming language. With the C programming language, even we can also design the operating system. If you have the high approach with the C programming language, then you can easily work with that. I will give you one more example. Device drivers. Each hardware device of our computer will have a device driver. Let us say keyboard. Keyboard has a keyboard driver. Mouse has a device driver. For displaying, display card. If you want to use the speakers, then it should have sound card. And if you want to connect to the internet, then we need to have the network card. So each device has a device driver, which is also a software. Already we know that software is a collection of programs. For example, if we want to take a printout of a document, then we need to open a document in any text editor like Microsoft Word, and we will click on print option. At that moment, the printer will start printing automatically. Who will do this? Who will initiate this to start printing the moment when we click the print command? It's a driver. Printer driver, which is also called as system software. So, using C programming language, we can develop device drivers. Developing application software. Application softwares are normally apps which we are installing the apps in our mobiles and installing the apps in our system. Those apps are application softwares only. For example, Word, PowerPoint, WhatsApp, Instagram, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. all are application softwares. To design these applications, we use C programming language. Also, by using C programming language, we can develop databases. The main advantage of database is used to store a large amount of data very securely. It could be a banking details like our bank's usernames and passwords. It could be a shopping information. Let us say if we open Amazon app and order some items, that means what are the list of items that we ordered all are stored in database. So databases can also be implemented by using C programming language. Developing graphical applications. C programming language is used to develop graphical related applications like computer games and mobile games. How the lines are to be created, how the circles are to be created. You can design circles, lines, ellipse, everything by using the algorithms in C programming language. Also, with the help of graphic designing tools like CAD, CAM, the graphic designers will design the pictures and graphics with the help of 2D or 3D effects. Evaluation of mathematical equations. By using C programming language, we can evaluate any kind of mathematical equations. Even if you want to evaluate the huge mathematical equations, for that also we can use C programming language. Also, we can get the exact solution by giving the different inputs in the equation. Unix kernel. Unix kernel is the central core of the operating system. It provides an interface to the hardware devices and to the memory. Unix kernel is completely developed in C programming language. Just like in our Windows operating system, we have the command prompt. In the DOS, we are having the command prompt. Similarly, Unix is having the kernel where you can write down the commands. That kernel is developed by using the C programming language. Designing network devices. C programming language can be used to design network devices. Network devices provide router with the help of C programming language. How they provide the router? See here. Suppose this is a network device. If the data is coming in this direction, and how the data will be passed out, in which direction it passes. Here in the network device, we have code for the router, and this can be developed by using the C programming language. Basing on that code, the route can be selected to pass the data. Use it in embedded systems. Let us take an example. I want to wake up early in the morning. I may use a clock to set an alarm which will wake me up at the time I set. That will also be programmed by using a programming language. And I want to wash my clothes. Then I will use my washing machine. And for toaster, fridge, dishwasher, all will also be programmed using programming language. Not only household applications, but for any other electronic devices which are automated. Let us say ATM machines and display boards in shopping malls, or it could be a TV remote controller or AC controller, or for GPS in mobile used to track the required location, or it could be a digital camera or digital watch. You take any automated electronic device that can also be programmed by using the C programming language. Use it in artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is very much popular where the machine learning is playing the complete role. How the machine is learning? Look at the robo. Robo is having eyes, but these are not eyes, these are cameras, and also ears. These are not ears, these are mics. By using these, Robo can see something and can hear. And also, Robo can sense by using sensors. All this data we are getting from somewhere, and there is a program. This program is telling the Robo to do this, to do that, move, take, stop. Like instructions can be passed to the robot. This is the example for machine learning. And this machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. And that code can be implemented by using the C programming language. Not only these, we have still some more. We can develop these many applications by using the C programming language. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.